Alright, guys, I know I owe you a big explanation, a long explanation, but let me tell you this, I'm coming back, okay? I'm coming back bigger, better, stronger. Alright? But yeah, I was planning to come live today so that you guys can drill me. But I am pulling out my hair and I don't want to be on the live pulling out my hair. Even though me used to always do that still, but yeah. But I just want to let you know that I'm still here. For everybody will message me and tell me that they miss me. Listen, I miss you guys too. And big up to all I know. And because I don't know, it make me even work harder to come back. But me just listen, I'm coming back, okay? I did videos but I just didn't get the time to edit them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a compilation. I'm going to try to see if I can do it like sometime next week so that you can get something Saturday. Alright? I'm also going on a trip and I'm going to vlog that. I just purchased something that is related to the vlogs, right? So just know so soon get something and we're gonna try to start off strong and it's going to be good, epic. So just stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned and thank you guys for staying. And for all the new people that come and not get no vlog for the last month, I think it's like a month or 1 month or yeah, a month and 2 weeks or so. But anyway, I'm coming back. And yeah. So peace and love and cocoa bread.